All right, welcome back, everybody. This morning, we are introducing you to Megan Evans, who goes by Meg Unprocessed on Instagram. She has all of these healthy recipes on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. And she's an Arkansas girl.
Yes.
So she's from a town that I know. So I'm like, oh, do you know this person, this person, this person? Y'all, watch, you know everybody I just named. All
Small
of them.
world.
So the world
Small
is very
world.
small. But you're here all about health in the great
Yes.
state of California.
Yes.
Talk to us a little bit about how did your healthy lifestyle started? Because coming from Arkansas, we don't eat that healthy.
No. Well, actually, I started having a lot of health issues myself back in 2014. And I just started doing more and more research and finding out there's such a big connection between food and your health and what you're eating. Really, they say you are what you eat.
Yes.
Like, that is true. You
Yes.
are what you eat.
Mama, you hear that? You are what you eat.
So I started doing a lot more research, and then I went and got certified in holistic nutrition.
Oh, wow.
And I was actually able to heal myself. I had something called PCOS.
Yes, I'm familiar.
Yes, and it actually affects 1 in 8 women. I was told that I would never have a baby. I've got my baby now, and
Yes,
so
honey.
I'm completely. And so now I just want to help other people because I
Yes.
saw how much better I feel through changing my diet, and so I just want to help other people do the same thing.
You are what you eat. I always try to tell my mom, food will kill you slowly if you're not careful. Be careful out there. Okay, so what were you doing before you were a nutritionist?
Actually, I was a TV producer, so this is like my world here.
I love it.
Yeah, so I actually worked I started an ABC affiliate in Arkansas.
Yes.
So that's where I got my start, and then I worked in New York for about 6 years, and then I was in LA, and then came up here.
Oh, y'all, she's bringing it. Okay, so why plant-based specifically? Because you can eat healthy, but it doesn't have to be plant-based, or does it?
Yes. Well, and plant-based foods are actually the best foods that are anti-inflammatory. So we hear a lot about inflammation, and that's what a lot of diseases and viruses start from. So, plants are really healing. I say, like, they were put there for a reason. They were not made in a factory, grown
Yes.
from the ground. But yeah, so I just try to keep it plant-based, and that's ultimately what killed me.
Are you guys convinced? I'm kind of convinced. We have to talk more about the bird food that I have to eat. All right, so that is not all
that's
we're
what I
giving
want.
you today. Go ahead, what you
I
say?
was going to say, that's what I want to show you, and like with my Instagram, like, I am a foodie. I love food,
Okay.
and so we can make it good.
So let's make it good. Okay, so coming up after this, you're going to show us how to make it good, right?
Yes.
She's going to show us how to make it good. Brittany, she's going to show us how to make it good. I can't wait for you to join us. We'll see you guys on the other side of this break.